As a leading cabinetry manufacturer, OPPEIN works closely with the top designers from all over the world. With breaking down industry barriers by creating a brand new business model named the Grand Household, OPPEIN brings forward the first one-stop shop to customize all habitable areas under one roof. OPPEIN strictly controls quality with the perspective of customers. It teams up with top suppliers worldwide for complying with international environmental standards. OPPEIN has started a program named Industry Project 4 and built 4 manufacturing centers across China. They are equipped with advanced production lines from Germany and Italy. This program has greatly contributed to make OPPEIN become the world-class smart factory. OPPEIN Cloud Design System and VR Home will present what you dream in front of your eyes within 10 minutes. From production to on-site installation, OPPEIN is committed to provide professional services for customers. From the past to the future, OPPEIN will always stay true to the mission. It will change the future of the industry and build a better home for every family.